Hi everyone, and welcome. I will give a brief overview of DrugBank, a key resource for scientists interested in drug discovery. This video is also a little special because it is my way of celebrating the 20th anniversary of DrugBank and of acknowledging the many people who have contributed to building and maintaining this resource over the years. Personally, I started using DrugBank around 2011. After the publication of the nucleic acids research article, DrugBank 3, from Professor David Wishart's group in Canada. Since then, in my academic team, we have used DrugBank extensively to explore drug-like chemical space, to develop machine learning models, to study the properties of drug-binding pockets, and to support drug repurposing projects, among many others. First, DrugBank is a human-curated database of annotated approved drugs, investigational compounds, and advanced lead molecules. What makes it scientifically useful is not only the amount of information it contains, but also the way different layers of information are connected. DrugBank brings together numerous information from drug indications, clinical trials, rare diseases, to targets and pathways. For scientists, this is valuable because these machine-readable relationships can support hypothesis generation and statistical model development. A second important area is safety and translational knowledge. Here, DrugBank includes information on metabolism, adverse effects, black box warnings, allergies, and drug-drug interactions. These data help us think beyond activity alone and consider whether a compound has a profile compatible with drug development. DrugBank also links drugs to proteins and mutant proteins and pathways. These associations are useful for studying mechanisms of action, comparing compounds, for drug-target interaction, prediction, and drug repurposing. The structural data component is also very important. By linking drugs and targets to structural identifiers, DrugBank can help connect pharmacology with three-dimensional molecular knowledge. This is relevant for structure-guided analysis, virtual screening, and drug-target interaction predictions. Finally, DrugBank now includes modern exploration tools, such as AI-assisted querying and programmatic access workflows. A key takeaway is that DrugBank can support many critical explorations in the field of drug discovery. That's it for today. Happy anniversary to the DrugBank team, and thank you for all the work behind this resource over the years. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.